Here we want to solve a mixture problem. We've got a health food retailer who sells a mixture of dried cherries, cranberries, and pecans for $15 per pound and dried banana chips for $2.25 per pound. The retailer decided to create a new mix by adding banana chips to this original mix. How many pounds of banana chips must be mixed with 40 pounds of the original mix to obtain a new mixture that sells for $10.25 per pound, but with no loss in revenue? We want to round our answer to 2 decimal places if necessary. To begin with, we want to start by defining a variable. Since the problem asks us to find the number of pounds of banana chips, we're going to let x equal the pounds of banana chips. Next, it's helpful to write a word equation. What we know is that the revenue from the mix is supposed to equal the revenue from the bananas, the banana chips, plus the revenue from the original mix. We want no loss of revenue, so the combined revenue for these two separately must equal the revenue from the mix. Now, how we get the revenue is by selling pounds of the mix. So we can write that's price times pounds of the mix has to equal price times pounds of the bananas, the banana chips, plus the price times pounds of the original mix. Then we can plug in what we know from the problem. The price of the mix is going to be $10.25 per pound. The number of pounds, and we're mixing 40 pounds of the original mix with X pounds of the banana chips, and so we'll have 40 plus X total pounds in the mix. For the banana chips, the price per pound was $2.25 per pound. Again, X is the number of pounds of banana chips. We put in X. The price of the original mix was $15 per pound, and we know that we're using 40 pounds of that original mix. So now we have this linear equation in X that we can solve for, and we'll find the number of pounds of banana chips. We want to simplify both sides, so we'll distribute 40 times 10.5 gives us 410, and then we'll get plus 10.25x. Here we'll have 2.25x plus 40 times 15, which is 600. We want to isolate the x terms on one side, bring the constants to the other. So we're going to subtract 2.25x from both sides. We get 410 plus 8x equals 600. And then now we want to subtract 410 from both sides. So 8x equals 190. Lastly, we're going to divide both sides by 8. So x is 190 divided by 8, which is equal to 23.75. And so the retailer needs to combine 23.75 pounds of banana chips with 40 pounds of the original mix to obtain the new mixture and still keep the revenue the same.